should have booked for 2 nights. The cottages, the resort is on the heights, and it was awesome. We had a good experience.
I wanted to comment on the food. You know, we Gujaratis are very fond of eating. So for us, food is very important, and the chef is really good, very amazing, and the portions are so generous. So it helps us, you know, put on more and more weight than we require.
Right.
So keep up the good work, and the food is very nice.
Food is very nice, and the food which I wanted, that I got it. So it's fun for me.
यहाँ वातावरण बहुत सरस है, एम्बियंस बहुत अच्छा है, और यहाँ पे जो हाइट पे है वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा है, तो यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा है.
मजा आवे એવું છે. આઈ થિંક ગ્રુપમાં આવે તો વધારે મજા આવે, એકલા આવે તો પણ મજા આવે. કે ખાવાનું, રહેવાનું, ગેમ ઝોન, એવરીથિંગ ઇઝ ધેર. સો એવું નથી કે તમે અહીંયા એકલા આવ્યા તો તમને મજા નહીં આવે, પણ એવરીથિંગ ઇઝ ગુડ.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Celebration.